Quadratic equation in a standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. The quadratic formula x is equal to negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Solve the value of x using quadratic formula in the given x squared plus 7x plus 10 less than 0. Let us identify the value for a, b, and c. A, that is equal to 1, b, that is equal to 7, and c, the answer is equal to 10. The formula for the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Let us replace all the value to the given equation. So that becomes negative 7 plus and minus. Replace the value by b by 7 squared. Copy negative 4. The value for a, that is equal to 1. The value b, that is 10. Divided by 2 times 1. Then afterwards, let us solve. Copy negative 7. And then 7 times 7, the answer is equal to 49. So 49 minus 4 times 1 times 10, that is negative 40 all over 2. So afterwards, negative 7 plus and minus the square root of 49 minus 40, that is equal to 9 divided by 2. So negative 7, the square root of 9 is 3. So negative 7 plus and minus the square root of 3 all over 2. So let us try to solve. So the first value of x, that is negative 7 plus 3 over 2. Negative 7 plus 3, that is negative 4 divided by 2. So the first value of x, that is equal to negative 2. Second, negative 7 minus 3. So negative 7 minus 3 over 2. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10 divided by 2. So negative 10 divided by 2, the answer is negative 5. So the first value of x is negative 2. The second value is negative 5. So let us check the test point. If x is equal to negative 2, so replace all the value to the given formula. That becomes negative 2 squared plus 7 times negative 2 plus 10 equals 0. 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. 7 times negative 2, that is negative 14, copy 10 equals 0. So that becomes 4 minus 14 plus 10 equals 0. 4 minus 14 is negative 10 plus 10 equals 0. So 0 equals 0. How about if the value for x is equal to negative 5? So negative 5 squared plus 7 times negative 5 plus 10 equals 0. 5 times 5, or negative times negative, positive. 5 times 5, 25. 7 times negative 5 is negative 35 plus 10. So that becomes 25 minus 35 plus 10. 25 minus 35 is negative 10 plus 10. The answer is equal to 0. If the value for x is negative 2 and negative 5, so let us see what could be the graph or the number line representation. So gagawa tayo ng number line from negative 5 to negative 2. So lowest natin is negative 5, highest natin is negative 2. Or pwede din itong representation na negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, 0, 1, 2. So negative 2 and negative 5. So ito yung negative 2, negative 5. Walang shade because the given is less than. So walang shade. So it means if that is less than, so yung shaded part natin, yung nasa gitna. So what could be the interval notation? So the interval notation, that becomes from negative 5 to negative 2. So it means open negative 5, then negative 2, close. Open dahil walang shade yung ating given. How about the inequality notation? So kung inequality notation, it means x is greater than negative 5 but less than negative 2. In the given example, x squared minus 6x minus 21 greater than 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 6, c, the answer is equal to negative 21. Let us replace all the value to the given formula for quadratic, negative b, plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let us replace the value of x by negative 6. Negative times negative 6, and then b, that is negative 6 squared, copy negative 4. The value for a is 1 times the value that is negative 21. So our z is negative 21. Copy all over 2 times the value for a that is equal to 1. Negatives times negative, that is positive 6, plus and minus the square root of 6 times 6, that is 36. Negative 4 times 1, that is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 21, that is positive 84. And then 2 times 1, the answer is 2. So copy 6 plus and minus the square root of 36 plus 84, that is 120 over 2. Think a factor of 120, that is 4 times 30. Square root of 4 is 2. So 6 plus and minus the square root of 2, square root of 30 all over 2. So get the lowest term for 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 2 divided by 2, the answer is 1. So 3 plus and minus the square root of 30. The first value of x, that is x is equal to 3 plus the square root of 30. And then the second one, that is 3 minus the square root of 30. Using our calculator, 3 plus the square root of 30, that is x is equal to 8.48. 3 minus the square root of 30, that is negative 2.48. So using the number line representation, so kung makikita natin yung value, negative 6 by 2s, negative 4, negative 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Our value is 8.48, so this one. So higher than 8, that is 8.48. While negative 2.48 is in between negative 2 and negative 4. So it means, dahil greater than yan, yung ating drawing, yung isa going to the left side, yung isa naman going to the right side. So walang equal, it means our circle is no shade. And what could be our interval notation? Our interval notation from negative infinity up to negative 2.48 union, positive 8.48 to positive infinity. In inequality notation, so x is less than negative 2.48 or x is greater than 8.48. How about number 3? 6x is equal to negative 2x squared minus 3. So first, we need to arrange from ax squared plus bx plus c. So that becomes 2x squared, and then copy 6x, change the sign, positive 3 less than or equal to 0. So pwede natin ipalito sa equal para makapag-solve tayo. So first, the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to 6, c, the answer is equal to 3. Replace all the values in the given formula for quadratic. So negative b plus and minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let us replace all the value to the given formula. So b is negative 6 plus and minus the square root of 6 square minus copy 2, replace a by 2, replace c by 3 all over 2 times the value of for a, that is equal to positive 2. Negative 6 copy, plus and minus the square root of 6 times 6, the answer is 36. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8 times 3, that is negative 24 divided by 4. Negative 6 plus and minus the square root of 36 minus 24 is 12. Think a factor of 12. Naiisipin natin yung isa perfect, isa hindi. So, ang factor ng 12 na perfect is 4 times 3. So, negative 6 plus and minus the square root of 4, that is 2. And then copy square root of 3. So let us get the lowest term ng given na to. So it means the lowest term, that is negative 3. So divide natin yung 6, 2, and 4 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 2 divided by 2, that is 1 square root of 3. So our answer, negative 3 plus and minus the square root of 3 over 2. The first value of x is negative 3 plus the square root of 3 over 2. The second value of x, that is negative 3 minus the square root of 3 over 2. So the final answer is negative 3 plus the square root of 3 over 2, and then negative 3 minus the square root of 3 over 2. Using the calculator, negative 3 plus the square root of 3 over 2, that is negative 0.63. Negative 3 minus the square root of 3 over 2, that is negative 2.37. So using the number line representation, so pwede tayo maglagay ng number line mula negative 6 to positive 1. So that becomes negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and then 1. So negative 0.63 is in between 0 to negative 1. Negative 2.37 is in between negative 2 and then negative 3. So the given is less than or equal. Ibig sabihin our circle, meron siyang shade. So less than. So ibig sabihin nun, yung ating shaded part is nasa gitna. From negative 2.37 up to negative 0.63. And what could be our interval notation? So the interval notation, that is negative 2.37. So bracket, negative 2.37, comma, negative 0.63 bracket. Bracket because may shaded yung ating circle because that is less than or equal. In inequality notation, that becomes, so this is less than, so x is greater than or equal to negative 2.37, but less than or equal to negative 0.63. How about number 4? 3x squared plus 10 is greater than or equal to x squared plus 5 plus 2x. So let us combine like terms. So first, copy 3x squared, positive x squared going to the left, that is negative x squared, positive 2x going to the left, that is negative 2x. Bring down positive 10, change the sign of positive 5, that becomes negative 5, greater than or equal to 0. 3 minus 1, that is 2x squared. Copy negative 2x. 10 minus 5, that is positive 5, greater than or equal to 0. Let us get the value for a, b, c. A, that is equal to 2. B, that is equal to negative 2. C, that is equal to positive 5. Let us replace all the value to the given formula for A, B, and C. So x is equal to negative times the value for B, that is negative 2, plus and minus the value for B, that is negative 2. So negative 2 square. So copy negative 4. The value for A is 10. So negative 4 times A, that is 2. And then times the value for C, that is equal to 5, all over 2 times 2. So negative times negative, that is positive 2, plus and minus the square root of 2 times 2, that is 4, minus 2, minus 4 times 2 times 5, that is negative 40, all over 4. Copy 2, plus and minus the square root of negative 36 all over 4. So negative 36 is no value, that is imaginary. It means no real solutions. How about number 5? 5x squared plus 7x plus 3 greater than or equal to 4x plus 3. First, copy 5x squared and then copy 7x. Positive 4x going to the left, that is negative 4x. Bring down 3 and then change the sign of positive 3, that becomes negative 3. Greater than or equal to 0. Copy 5x squared. 7 minus 4 is 3x. 3 minus 3, the answer is 0, greater than or equal to 0. Afterwards, let us get the value for A, B, C. A, that is 5, B, that is 3, and then C, the answer is equal to 0. Let us replace all the value to the given formula for the quadratic, so that becomes x is equal to negative 3 plus and minus the square root of the value for B, that is 3 square, copy negative 4, and then the value for A is 5 times the value for C, that is 0, all over 2 times the value for A, that is equal to 5. Negative 3 copy, plus minus the square root of 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 times 5 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5, the answer is equal to 10. So the value for x is equal to negative 3 plus and minus the square root of 9 over 10. And the square root of 9 is exactly equal to 3. So negative 3 plus and minus the square root of 9, that is 3, all over 10. If that is negative 3 plus and minus 3 over 10, so the first value of x is negative 3 plus 3 over 10. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0 over 10, so it means the value for x is equal to 0. The second value of x, that is negative 3 minus 3 all over 10. Negative 3 minus 3 over 10 is negative 6 over 10. The lowest term of negative 6 over 10, that is divided by 2, that is negative 3 over 5. So the second value of x is negative 3 over 5. If the answer is 0 and negative 3 over 5, in a number line representation, the 0, so ito yung 0, may shade siya because our given is greater than or equal. Negative 3 over 5, that is negative 0.6. So negative 0.6 is in between 0 to negative 1. So what could be our interval notation? Our interval notation, it is from negative infinity up to negative 0.6 union from 0 to positive infinity. In inequality notation, x is less than negative 0.6 or x is greater than 0. Instruction: solve the value of x using quadratic formula. Give the inequality notation or interval notation. Provide your answers in the comment section.